16 सोमवार का मेरा व्रत है।
Honestly, you look very sus to me. I think wherever I am, there's chaos.
I cannot do firefight at all.
Like, I believe she got married to the tree. I have a mole here also, the mole cancer.
He's getting very defensive.
So can we have like an argument? I'm checking our co-star.
I think she is the one. Like found 100 rupees. Like, why only Mercury?
The thermometer also has mercury in it. So.
When did you first come to realize that astrology works?
लेडीज फर्स्ट बिकॉज आज मैंने एस्ट्रोलॉजी का वो देखा तो लेडीज गोइंग फर्स्ट इज वेरी शुभ कि यार सोमवार है, 16 सोमवार का मेरा व्रत है।
I think you should start then.
I mean, my answer is very cliche, but I went through a breakup and then I went to astrology. Yeah. And I realized that this shit makes sense because, you know, what was read out in the cards happened.
We just switched places, but yeah, I just started believing in astrology because whatever was written was actually happening. So that makes
Exactly. Yeah, the same thing happened to me. I used to like, you know, play those games in the newspaper and everything. And then there's this one day he just said that he wear a white color ka this thing like and everything. I wore it and like I got that shit done. So I was like,
Oh, same with me. But the thing was, उसमें लिखा था, you will get money. I'm like, whoa, like, and I like found 100 rupees. Like, believe करना पड़ेगा है नहीं करना पड़ेगा भी नहीं.
Okay, my story is completely different because very funny. I'm from UP, right? UP, like I'm a proper pandit. Now, because of which all my four fathers, and they used to do palm reading, and they used to read all the kundlis, because of which my father, my grandfather, and all 4 generations above them as well, they were always into astrology. So I'm more towards the Vedic aspect of astrology, and I all more inclined towards Western part of astrology or the Vedic part.
The Vedic part. Like, for me, the Vedic part.
Like, so it's a very weird story, but in my maternal side of the family, in my nanu's kundi, so he has this kundi that's like 12 feet long, okay?
Oh.
And then it's mentioned like he'll marry 2 women and all of that, and all of it is true. And this was back when he was born, okay? So then it was so much fun for me and I was very inquisitive. So I was like, I want my kundi and everything and they're not giving it to you. But I also want to like, you know, like it's fun. Like,
it is.
Although I believe in both, but I'm not so knowledgeable on the Vedic side of it.
Yes.
You know, like it's a lot. I'm more like I know a lot more about the Western side because we have that information
Yeah.
to us. So like, you know, I like watching those those random, like you said, predictions. You guys have this app co-star and if you can have friends in those. So I've added my boyfriend in that.
That's
So every
great.
time we have like an argument, I'm checking our co-star and it's SOBA. He needs you to listen to him. So I'm like, okay, I'm gonna do that.
I feel same both. Plus, dude, CoStar is such an accurate app.
Yeah.
Oh my god. But Vedic side as well, I have this kundli of mine and recently I found it and I was reading and it is exactly what I am as a person. So you know, even the Vedic side is so accurate,
Yeah.
but the Western is more accessible. So that thing, yeah.
But I personally feel like, you know, when you're going to the Western ones, they're very generic sometimes.
Yeah.
They're very generic, but like when you see the kundlis, they're like spot on कि तू 2 शादी करेगा और हुई भी. Okay. And then there's like it's more interesting, but you know when you like Western wala kaise hota, like exactly like you said, that it's more accessible. So then you can relate to it also. Like if I am like scrolling through Instagram and then I watch that, oh Libra ye hai wo hai, and then I also see like somebody's life. That's when I realized कि okay, he's also like this. That's how I ended up dating a guy. So yeah, can we guess each other's? Okay, I think you are you're giving me like you're very nice. You know, you're very sweet. Ouch. So I think I'm ready for this. I think you are a water sign.
True. Correct.
That's correct?
Yeah.
No way. Shit. Okay, what are you?
I'm a Cancer.
Cancer's a water sign.
Yeah.
Okay, I didn't consider it. Yeah, I think okay, I've got my thing confused, but I was right on that. Okay. Yeah. I think you are a fire sign.
Spot on.
Wow.
Spot on.
Really?
Spot
Okay.
on. But if you had to categorize it to one particular sign, then what
Okay,
would
I would say Aries.
it be? Bang on.
Damn good.
No, might as well.
No, I don't think we can do that. But yeah, I know you're a Libra, and I know that you're such a Libra because my mom is also a Libra. So I can see the similarity. Librans love themselves.
Yeah.
They're obsessed with themselves. You all can see that. And we are both an air sign.
Oh, you're
Yeah.
an air sign. So, what
I'm-
element are you?
I'm air element. Yeah,
You?
air.
Wait.
What are you?
No, we do not speak yet.
But Rose, let him speak.
No,
What are
you do not speak yet. Tell me.
I'll think and let you know. Okay.
I'll tell you.
Okay.
Aries, both are Aries. Aries is a fire sign.
Oh.
Yeah.
So your element is fire.
Do you guys know your sun, moon, and rising?
No.
I do.
No, I don't.
Oh, good.
Like the data.
Do you know what a rising is? What sun, moon and rising like differences पता है?
मुझे मालूम होगा but I guess technical terms मुझे नहीं
So
मालूम
ये
होगा ऐसा
जो
होगा.
जो सब हमने बोला, that was a sun sign,
Yeah, it's that.
the core thing. And then there's a moon,
Moon sign.
which is like your inner like emotions and all of that. And there's a rising is how you appear.
Up here, yeah.
Oh, so yeah.
So my sun is Aquarius, my moon is Virgo, and my rising is Libra.
My sun and moon both are Cancer, and rising I'm not sure about.
Guys, my question is, if you were to choose between the two, the Vedic or the Western part of astrology, which one would you go ahead with and just why?
Can I have to say why also? Okay, then let's start from there.
Honestly, you look very sus to me, so I want to.
Wait, I'll start.
Yeah,
Okay, so yeah, I'll go to the Vedic side. The reason behind is that I'm very, what do you say? Wait, I'm thinking the answer.
Think, it's okay.
I'm thinking, wait, the reason behind Vedic is because. Wait, I'm thinking again. Let's you start.
Okay, why yours?
Let me.
I asked the question, I can't be the first one.
I say that answer. So honestly, I might choose Vedic because you know it gives you an entire life. But you know you read it once, फिर क्या fun है? Western वाले में every day it comes up, no? So it's more fun.
नहीं, उसमें भी आता है.
रोज आता है.
रोज रोज आता है, बस उसका नाम अलग है.
Bro, TV पे पंडित
हिंदी
आके
है?
रोज बोलते हैं. Have you heard of this thing कि मांगलिक से शादी
शादी-
होगी तो somebody would die?
Yes,
and
I
नहीं हो
something.
सकता.
नहीं नहीं, she got married to this tree and a snake and something.
Yeah,
Three, obviously.
it's always what is it?
People.
People
Bang on.
detest.
Bang on.
But yeah, I just feel like these practices are outdated. So I personally don't believe.
Oh, I knew that. Oh,
Which zodiac sign do you like is who come back with?
I can answer the opposite of that,
Yeah.
which is not
Which is not
compatible.
compatible, exactly.
Yeah. I think Virgo for me. I also like Virgos. Yeah.
I feel any earth signs.
Yeah. Yeah. It balances. Yeah. Fire signs. No.
No.
Also like no bro.
I cannot do fire signs at all. It is always a chaos.
I think wherever I am, there's chaos. So I don't blame the astrology, but yeah. But I also I don't get along with Librans.
Whoa, bro.
What do you think?
So some of the best relationships I've had, all of them were Sagittarians.
I
And
love
then
Sagittarius.
And their birthdays
I don't
were
like them
6
at
days
all.
apart, all three of them. So
I also like
Sagittarius.
Capricorns. Good, they're very like in the head.
I like Aries. I do like Aries, but only friends.
So it's a tie between Nagan and Mayur. Both of you get a chance to convince Jyotish not to mold on one well.
Let's go, man.
Okay. Dude, I have co-star in my phone. What other proof do you need?
But like I said, I got my boyfriend on CoStar who doesn't believe in this shit.
So ideally, you haven't even shown any of us that you have co-stars. So I can tell you that I'm not a mole, and in fact, to be very fair, I can tell you just why I believe in astrology on a from a very personal level. As I told you before, I come from a generation of passed down of pundits who have been Vedic astrologers for all their lives. My father, he took a sort of alternate route. He went into business because he couldn't see our family staying in poverty again and again. He used to consult with my grandfather way too often. And that's how, after getting a few stones and definitely working hard as well, he got our entire family line from rags to riches. So 50% definite, in fact 90% is luck, 10% is that hard work that you always do. And just to make sure that you have that luck with you, my father followed each and every step that all his forefathers told him to in a way get out of all of this. And I've seen this hands down on a very first-hand experience. That's why I am on a very personal level a big...
I mean, it could also be that you know a lot about it. So you can pretend, you would be very good at pretending to believe in it because you know.
1 second, just because I know about it doesn't mean I pretend.
No, I'm just. What if you're not a firm believer of astrology, but you know a lot about astrology?
You have
You're
the
just
knowledge
pretending
of
that
it.
You know and you believe.
Okay, that could also be the case, but if I did not believe per se in astrology, then I wouldn't know, or I wouldn't even care to know what my fire sign is or what my sign practically is.
Like, I already knew that what element would he be from, and how would I know that if I did not believe in astrology
She
now?
knew sun, moon, and rise.
Yeah.
Yeah, and if it...
She did the
Well,
homework
that's-
and both
That
of
could
them
also-
did a lot
Yeah,
of
good
homework,
job,
it looks
right?
like.
Yeah. Anybody wants to change their vote?
I think I want to change. You want to change your vote? Yeah. I don't want to change. I'm good with it. I know. I think Lagan. I'm going to change my vote. I'm going to switch from Vayu to Lagan.
Good.
Bye.
But lovely playing with you.
Tell me what your co-star says and add me on.
Yeah. The mole is still in the...
No way. Bro. What? Listen, I think off camera what he told me, what he mentioned, yeah, he's bluffing. I think you know too much, bro. Like, why do you know so much? Exactly. He's done his homework. Yeah, he's come. Like, yeah.
I think she is the one. You know why? Because instead of waiting for someone else to speak, she immediately put the blame on someone just to be out of that entire circle.
No, that's just my personality.
getting the
Like, she
blame.
wanted to save herself from the voting as
Yes,
well.
yes,
That is because I'm
practically.
smart, guys. If I have a brain and I'm using
Exactly. She is
on,
smart
but
to
also
stay
I
out of the
don't
loop, but it
wanna
also
be
gives it out
like-
that she is the
it.
loop.
Like, whatever. I just feel like it's you, bro. I don't know, Yip. I'm just like, and trust me when I listen to
I'm just
him,
gonna
a
say-
girl's instinct. I'm telling you, it's because
But then also remember the few times that you were supposed to stay away from these people, these particular signs.
yeah,
She's one of them.
yeah. But you're also fire sign. Do you guys believe in a Mercury retrograde?
Did you charge anybody these questions?
Dude, but
Yes, and it's called Mangal Ka.
yeah. So I don't know what's called in Hindi.
Okay, fine. But yeah, it's called Shani and Mangal Ka Prabhav as
Yeah,
well.
but that it
Yes.
really does affect.
Yes.
Like, yeah, exactly. Like I said, this thing, my bhabhi, she got married to all of this. So my family is entirely into this. So बिना sun moon ये वो सब astrology check करे बिना मेरे घर में एक चीटी नहीं हिलती.
Okay, but why only Mercury? Why not other planets?
Because it's the most negative.
it's the negative energy, yeah.
Okay, but it has a scientific reason to it as well.
Okay.
It does.
Tell us,
does.
enlighten us, please. Yeah.
I'm just trying to figure out the mode.
The common growth are Mercury. That's okay.
And
Really confused. Yeah. Your statement just threw me off completely.
yeah, she spoke about being smart and then at the same time Mercury in the thermometer.
From that way. That's why we believe in astrology. Okay, now I think I have my vote. No, because
So do I.
yeah. This Vayur, I'll tell you why. Because he's very smart. He अपना homework करके आया for sure.
She's getting very defensive, you see?
Because
she
I know,
can't find any more
Just
attacking.
explaining to me मैं क्या करूँ? That yeah,
Attacking.
have my vote.
What?
I'm ready.
Are you insane?
Bro. See, that is such a Libra thing to do.
Precisely. All this while she's just trying to avoid the vote Just so that she's still in the game and she wins the game.
Right.
And we don't want that to happen.
Okay, listen.
I have my vote.
Why you would?
Can we go ahead with the voting, please?
No, we won't. Yeah.
Can you
Ready to vote.
please go ahead with the voting? And if you're not the mole, I will regret this.
I know it for a fact.
I'm the mole.
Kasam se.
I'm the mole.
Kasam se.
Oh my god. Kasam kha. I have a mole here also. The mole cancel. I think my decision is the most important here. So I'm going ahead. I love you, mole.
I've written 2 spelling, Johnny. I asked you. Not my fault.
Yeah, bye guys.
Risha, you're out. I'm so sorry. You just said some things that threw me off. Bye, guys.
All this while you were the mole.
Can I reveal myself? I am the mole, guys. I would like to thank my parents for teaching me how to lie so well. you?